Imagine a vegetable that not only helps you lose weight, but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the magic of zucchini. Zucchini is incredibly low in calories, with just about 17 calories per 100 grams. This means you can enjoy a substantial portion without worrying about your calorie intake. Packed with dietary fiber, zucchini slows down digestion, helping you feel fuller for longer and preventing overeating. Low in carbohydrates, zucchini is the perfect substitute for high-carb foods like pasta or potatoes, helping you manage blood sugar levels and reduce insulin spikes. Made up of about 95% water, zucchini keeps you hydrated and increases satiety with minimal calories, reducing the urge to snack on higher-calorie foods. With a low glycemic index, zucchini ensures stable blood sugar levels, preventing cravings and helping control hunger. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, zucchini helps reduce inflammation, improving metabolic function and aiding in weight loss. High in potassium, zucchini helps regulate fluid balance in the body, reducing bloating and water retention for a slimmer appearance. The fiber content in zucchini promotes healthy digestion by ensuring regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, key to efficient metabolism and weight loss. Versatile and easy to incorporate into a wide range of dishes, zucchini keeps your diet varied and enjoyable, making it easier to stick to healthy eating habits. By adding zucchini to your diet, you can enjoy these benefits that not only aid in weight loss, but also contribute to overall health and well-being. Embrace the power of zucchini today.